Hello everyone, and today I'll be reading my presentation on the anatomy of neurons, brain cells, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so let's get started. Well, what exactly is a neuron? A neuron is one of the most common types of brain cell, which primarily functions and aids in receiving and sending signals in the brain. So it's extremely important. Okay. Without it, we couldn't think, we couldn't have memories, we couldn't function. Okay. It is extremely important. So yeah, very nice. And now, the anatomy of neurons. So, as you can see right here, these little tree branch star-like structures, these are dendrites, and that's the part of the neuron that picks up signals from other neurons in the form of neurotransmitters. Then the signal in the form of electric charge, it travels to the cell body, where the cytosine, the soma, becomes many names, and of course, can't forget about the nucleus of all the genetic material. So, the signal is interpreted by the soma or cytosine, and now goes to the axon hillock right here. This would be the axon hillock. And if the signal is strong enough, it will actually go to the axon itself. And this right here is myelin sheath, which is kind of like insulator. And kind of like with rubber around a copper wire. Is it rubber? Yeah, I think so. Or just any sort of insulating material. Alright. It keeps the signal in, making it stronger. And if you want to get better at something, keep practicing, that myelin sheath will get thicker and thicker. So, myelin sheath, very important. Then it goes to nerve endings, which it can be spread to the next neuron in the form of neurotransmitter. So yeah, very beautiful anatomy. And now, fun facts about neurons, because you need fun facts, man. So, fact number 1. Didn't you know that there are estimated to be 85 billion neurons in the brain? That is insane. And then, fact number 2. Didn't you know that average neuron is around 0.50005 meters, or 1.6404363517 feet? Dang, that's so big. That's a big decimal. In length, meaning that the soma is usually 100 micrometers across, but the axon can be up to 1 meter, about 10,000 times bigger than the cell body. That is insane. And this will kind of be a weird way of putting it, but imagine, right? Imagine your arms, your torso, and your head. I would say they're a good 3 feet all put together, 3 to 4 feet. It depends on the person, right? Maybe even 2 feet. But imagine it's that average length, right? And then you take your legs, and your legs are like, let's say, 20,000 feet long. Like, that's basically the perspective that's going on here. It's crazy, man. That is an amazing fact. Like, that's insane. And now, finally, fact number 3. Did you know that if you lined up all of your neurons in a line, it would be roughly a whopping 42 million. I mean billion. Okay. 42 billion 500 million 425,000 meters, or 0.284 astronomical units in length. That is insane. Okay? That's insane. Like, and we have, like, that is so cool to think about, that we contain that in our bodies. Something so tiny. Collect it all together, and then you just line it up, and it is massive. It is incomprehensible now. Something so tiny. Something so tiny you could hold it into, like, you can barely even see it. Right? It's even hard to imagine then. But then you make it so huge, and that's incomprehensible. You know what I mean? That is amazing to think about. Like, wow. And then here are my sources. Again, link in the description. And the end. I hope you guys enjoyed, because I certainly did. Those were some amazing facts, man. So, yeah, I'm glad to be back. And, yeah, I hope you guys had an amazing day. Okay. Because I certainly did. And I'll see you in my next one. Okay. See ya. Bye.